Hello guys, welcome back to adriellop.us. Ayan po yung record na ibon na aking load. So, alright, see you guys in the morning. Alright, sorry guys. So for the people that doesn't understand Tagalog, so what I'm saying is this the bird that I load. I load about 14 birds for this race. So hopefully in the morning everything turn out fine. So hopefully the rain will go away. And see you guys. Alright guys, see you guys in the morning. Alright, good morning guys. Today is Sunday. I load the bird yesterday around 7:30. I didn't get time to record it because we in a rush trying to get back home right away. So right now it's not looking good. It's raining. So they ready to release the bird around 7. So, and I called one of my club mates and they said they're probably the bird about an hour and a half away or something. So hopefully, and he said too the rain will go away around 10. So it will move towards the east. So hopefully, we're in the south, so it will move towards the east. So hopefully they all come back. I load about 14 birds. That's all I have for this race. So already load all of them. Sorry about the camera, it sucks. So my baby is waiting with me. Are you gonna wait with for the bird with daddy? Are you gonna go outside with daddy and wait for the bird? You think the bird will come back home? All 14 of them? Huh? Say hello. Say hello, YouTube. Say hello, YouTube. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Time check is around 9, so we still got about an hour. And I had to put my clock in the lock. I had to go there. I'm waiting for my cousin to come over to help me go to the back. Yeah, because I'm in a wheelchair. So, alright guys, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Be right back. Time check guys. Wala pa rin tayo pa uwi. Mukhang di maganda guys eh. Umuulan eh oh. Ano yan? Sabi lang alas 10 daw mawala ng ulan. So hanggang ngayon wala pa rin tayong pauwi. Mukhang di maganda. 14 ibon na wala na. Ngayon nag-aabang kami ngayon.
Unang ano pa lang yan?
Balik kami guys. Guys, alas 12 na. Umaraw na rin. Amin tumingin na rin yung ulan pero wala pa rin araw. Sana yung ibon dumating na. Sa lahat ng nag-load ngayon, isa pa lang nakakauwi sa lahat. So, ayan, nag-aabang na kami. Balikan namin kayo guys. Ulit mo nga. Inop pala ni Bernard yung putang ng camera eh. Ayan pa yung una namin pauwi. First bird.
12:19 PM. 8:85.
885. The younger one.
Hindi naka-record yung kanina.
Good.
Okay guys, we just got 2 more just came home. That blue bar with white lights and the other one is blue bar right there. So better pa kami. We got one more just came in, the red bar.
Tids.
Yeah.
8:03.
803. Fourth bird.
At least ang 150. Hindi na pagod.
Di maningal.
Okay.
Eh puta pa nagpahinga eh.
Sinayin na natin.
We're gonna drop a recovery medicine. There you go. The 5th bird. Trying to get him in now. Come on, let's go. There she is. Come on. Lilipad yan dyan. Come on. Hindi. Got her in. So we got the fifth bird. Tingnan mo ako dito kung ilan nakalagay na ibon. Kung 5.
Ha?
Yan sa clock.
Alright, 4.
4.
4 birds.
Ano hindi nag-scan?
0, 8, 885, 806.
Ano? Ano pa?
829,
Ano din nag-scan?
873.
Tingnan mo nga dyan mga... Ano yung 802, 829. Ayun na ito din nag-scan. Yung isa.
873, nag-scan to.
Oh.
829, 806, 885. Ito ata. May 8 sa dulo. 803.
Hindi nag-scan.
Ito ang ginag-scan.
Ano mo doon? Ano mo? Hindi, ganun ko lang. Buksan mo yan.
Oh.
Huwag mo palabasin. Hindi, buksan mo yung ano.
Yung.
Yan. Kasi isampa mo lang siya sa may, sa may antena. Hanggang tumunog. Huwag mong bitawan. Nag-scan na?
Ayun.
Yan.
Grabe, hindi nag-scan to.
Tang-inang yun.
Yan, 5 arrives. Hindi nag-scan yun.
Meron pa isa.
Oh, close that door. Adrian, close it.
Close the door. May dumaan lang.
Yan.
Come on. Yan natin pares niya. Pares ang blue bar mo. Ayun pa. Yan niya yung pares. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pagod oh. Latit yung tayo eh. Ha? Ate, hold on. Let me get the... Come on. Yan na. May mga tumunog ah. Asan siya? Pama to.
Pakinggan mo.
Okay.
Yanin ko. Ayun. Ayun na. Stop ko. Oh,
Yan po yung that's our 6th bird. Yan po yung pang-anim naming ibon.
It's
802. We got our 10th bird right there. That's the one that broke his leg, both of these legs. So he did 150. They did good. So thank God they all came home. I thought they're not gonna made it. I still got 4 of them missing. So still waiting. Guys, that's my 11th bird right there. Uh, 3 more missing. I don't know if you can see it right there. Yep. 11. 3 more. Alright guys, we got our 12th bird. She's right there. Still got 2 more birds missing. The 13th bird. 13. 1 more. We need 1 more, baby. 1 more left. Isn't it 1 more left?
1 more left.
Are you happy? Yeah. That's all the time. First bird, 12:19. Second bird. Third bird and fourth bird. Fifth bird and sixth bird. 7 and 8. 9 and 10. 11, 12, and 13. Still missing one more. All right. The result, I will let you guys know probably Tuesday or Wednesday. So I will keep you guys updated. Guys, thank you guys for tuning in. So that's all for today. I got about 13 birds that came home, and I had one. I'm still missing one more, so hopefully he turned up today. But our cutoff won't be till tomorrow morning, I believe, the cutoff. So, all right, guys, you guys take care, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.